On the menu today is seared lamb chops, sauteed vegetables, crispy rice, and a sesame seared feta. In the Williams-Sonoma test kitchen, we are cooking all day, every day. And when it comes to durability and reliability, we are all about Thermo-Clad Copper Core Pro cookware. This cookware elevates the entire cooking experience, both visually and functionally. This entire set is made with the home chef in mind. The Thermo-Clad Copper Pro 10-piece set offers excellent heat conductivity and control. The whole set is conduction compatible. Each piece features a thick 1mm copper core. The double wall lid keeps food hot for up to 90 minutes and stays cool to the touch. Another thing to love is it's really beautiful. This silhouette is defined by smooth, modern lines. I love the exposed copper detailing around the rim. It's a nice nod to the magic inside. The exterior is made of 3-ply stainless steel. The flush rivets are great for easy cleaning. This set offers really high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Everything is made in Italy by Hestan. It's available exclusively at Williams-Sonoma.